5 little ducks went up one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 all through the town. Parang iba naman yun. Mother duck said, you say up. Up. Very good. Down. And duck. A cow. Moo. Moo. The pig. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Spider? It's a spider? What's that? A spider. Spider climb up the water spout. Ada, sira na. Spider climb up the... Wala na? Spider climb up the... Ada. Wala. Wow. Whoop, whoop. I say whoop, whoop. Who's behind the garden gate? Knock, knock. Open. What's that? What's that? Dog. Very good. Who's hiding behind the flower pots? Knock, knock. Open. What's that? What's that? A cat. Meow, meow. Meow. Who's hiding behind the door? Knock, knock. Open. It's a rabbit. It's a rabbit. Next. Who's hiding behind the phone? Knock, knock. Open. It's a fish. And this one is? Frog. Oh no. Oh, this one. No. Who's hiding in the tree? Knock, knock. Open. It's a? What is this? What is this? It's a? Bird. It's a baby bird. Baby bird. Wala na? Wala na? Wala na?